Morning students, welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss class 4 finding the test. Today I am not discussing the theoretical class. Today I only discuss practical classes. So let's start practical class. My dear student, this is the laptop and today I discuss finding the test, copying the test and moving the text. So my dear student, let's start the practical classes. First of all, I open the Microsoft Office. Then first of all, click to the start button and then go to the all programs. Then go to the all programs and the search Microsoft Office 2013 because my system installed in Microsoft Office 2013 and because my topic name is finding the test in MS Word, click to the Microsoft Word 2013. This is the Microsoft Word. There are so many such type of performer in front of you, but you go to the blank document. This is the blank document. My dear friend, first of all, I write down to the any such type of sentence. So suppose I write down to the Microsoft Office and then after click. This is the suppose I write down Microsoft Office. This is the Microsoft Office. My dear student, my topic name is finding the test. Finding the test means suppose how many times office use. The one two you always time count, but no any such type of count, but only such type of one key press Control plus F. Control plus F, just click and the one dialog box appear in the left hand side in the computer screen. So you find which type of find. Suppose I find office. I find office. You just find to the office. The all office is highlighted. All office is highlighted. This is the office. And first time, again repeat. First time, I am not finding the office. There is no any such type of file highlighted. But just Control plus F. Just Control plus F. Just Control plus F press and then press to the office. The all office is automatically highlighted. Suppose you are not choosing the office, you choose by. How many times by? They 3 times you by. So this is the finding the test. Finding the test means one of the particular text you find. Suppose this is a short document, but 80 page, 100 page document in front of you, and so many members in the office, and said to be you find to the office. How many times office use? How many times office use in this document? So you always time count, and they have always time count, and you always time negligence in any such type of sentence. So the Microsoft Office provide is one text Control plus F and then search to the Microsoft Office. They automatically you find to the office. This is the office. This is the office. This is the finding the test. My dear student, my next topic is finding and replacing the test. Previous video I have already discussed in the theoretical classes, but today I discuss replacing and finding the text. So replacing and finding the text you press Control plus F. Replacing and finding the text, you press Control plus H. Control plus H. Control plus H, you just click the Control plus H. One dialog box appear in this computer screen. And suppose find what? Find what? Office. Replace with. Suppose I replace with ऑफिसर. मैं ऑफिस को रिप्लेस ऑफिसर में कर रहा हूं. ऑफिसर. देन रिप्लेस ऑल. देन रिप्लेस ऑल the all office replace to the officer. The all office, I again repeat in this sentence. Control H. Find what? Find what? Office. ऑफिस को मैं रिप्लेस करता हूं ऑफिसर के साथ. रिप्लेस टू ऑल. रिप्लेस टू ऑल. द 7 रिप्लेसमेंट है, यानी 7 टाइम ऑफिस यूज इन दिस फाइल. ऑफिसर, दिस इज द बिकॉज ऑफिसर, this is again officer, this is again officer, this is again officer. So those time office use, the all office is changed with the officer. Suppose I am not changed in the any such type of officer, then Control H and replace with office. You just click the replace all the all officer. The all officer is changed in the office. So I again control plus H. Control plus find what office. Suppose find officer and find what officer. Replace all officer change to the office. This is the finding and text to the document. My dear student, there are three places. This is the time replace. Go to the, there are so many interpret number section. You just next intersection number. So there is line. How many times line? Next. This is the, because your topic name is finding the text. You just click the Control H. You just click the Control H and then find and to the replace. Find what? Find suppose office find. Officer find next. To those time in the office or officer, you always type indicating in the file. So my dear student, I hope every student clear to the understand. Thank you so much.